The next flow is the cart abandonment flow. So you have to think about it this way. Let's say that the person goes through the welcome flow, they go to your website, they add something to cart, and then they get distracted, or they have a question that hasn't been answered on the product page. So they're not sure about making the purchase and they just and they click off. So then you come in with the emails to answer their questions, talk about the objections that they may have. So you want to address those in your cart abandonment. You want to remind them, because it could just be the case that they simply forgot. So normally what you could do is just start with a simple reminder within maybe 2-3 hours of them abandoning the cart and being like, hey, you left this in the cart. Then remind them again, but maybe tackle some objections in the email or use social proof. And then you can do a couple more emails just tackling more objections, or, including whatever you think would be beneficial for them at this point in their journey.